I want to briefly show you what smart thinking looks like if you have not used it before. It's up here at the top of Moodle underneath. This is the introduction. This is the top of the page. Smart thinking is right here. If you click on this, I want to show you what you'll see. The first thing you'll see is a system check. I've never done the system check. I've always gone straight to click to continue. And then this is what you'll see if you're a student. I'm going to ask you to go up here to writing help, and you'll see there are lots of options for writing help that you could use in other classes, like help with a resume or a cover letter. You could also use this in your health sciences class if that's where you're headed. The two that I like to show students are the Essay Center and the Grammar and Documentation Review. Say that you went to the English Studio and you got help with your paper. The English Studio is going to help you with generalized thesis development, organization, but they're probably not going to help you with documentation, mainly because so many students go for help in the English Studio before the documentation part's even been done. If you click on this, you're going to be asked the course level, the title of your paper, because your paper does need a title, and then a description including the length and documentation style. So in this case, you would tell them that this is a literary analysis and that you are expected to use MLA style. And they're going to help you make sure that you have documented that correctly, especially that works cited page, which was missing from several of your essays, and getting that formatted correctly with the hanging indent that just seems to bugger so many people. This one, you're going to use the first available, and then you're going to upload your file here. I want to go back and also show you that this Essay Center is asking you for the title and also the assignment style and what that assignment is. The more detailed you can be, the better. This one is going to ask you what are some specific areas you want to work on, much like the English Studio does. So you could pick your thesis, you could pick your content development, and if you're unsure what they mean by these, you can click on a little question mark and they'll explain it to you more. Okay, so right there, see they define what transitions are. You could, if you're not sure what they mean by word choice, they'll define that for you. You will click two of those and then you will add your file here. This smart thinking is staffed by teachers who are moonlighting, so they do know their stuff. When you are submitting an essay to Smart Thinking, it's not a student reading it, and it's not someone who is a math person. These are English teachers who are doing this. So this serves as a good second resource after you have gone to the English Studio. I haven't mentioned it any this semester, so I just wanted to point it out to you and know that this is something else that you can use. And the feedback comes to you in your email within probably 24 to 48 hours. So if you did decide to do this, say that you've gone to the English Studio, you've written your essay, and now it's 2 days before your essay is due, maybe you want a final check on that grammar. This would be a good one to use, and you'll get your feedback back in your email. All right, so it's there. It's right here at the very top of Moodle.